description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of an Akama Noodles box, which they don't do anymore, but you can go over to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowmall.com, and check out their ramen selection. This is a Nissin Donbei Tempura Soba, and this is the Western Japanese version. It comes with a little bit of pepper, so cool. So a weird morning, but not as weird as ones I've had recently, that's for sure. But yeah, I got some records. I went to the thrift store and I wanted to get some 78s to put on my record, my phonograph. And I got them. I made them an offer they didn't refuse. It was for a set of records that was in just like horribly poor condition, and I was like, well, you know, maybe I can clean them, right? And so I said, hey, can I give you like $250 for all the records? She's like, sure, just go grab them, I'll give you a deal. I'm like, okay. So I got all the records, and then it's like I get them home and like, man, they are filthy, nasty, gross. I haven't read anything that was extremely that made me feel great about the idea of like washing shellac records. But I figured, oh, what the hell? We got this spray on over here by the sink that my wife really digs, and it's like, I personally like the champagne of the bathroom, Formula 409, but you know, she likes the more organic kind of thing, yeah. So it's got this stuff that's made with like juice and stuff, and it's not really acidic. It cleans things, but it's real gentle, right? And I thought, well, maybe that'll work. And I, you know, went around them a little bit, and then I rinsed them off, and I had to find a place to put them. So what I did is I went and I grabbed the kids' Legos, they're old Duplos, and I made, whoop, there we go. See, I made a Lego drying rack for the 78 RPM records. Look at that. Clever, right? Right? No? Ridiculous? I don't know. I even posted it on the phonograph subreddit, and somebody was like, you're gonna destroy those records and blah blah blah. It's like, whoa, settle down, Beavis. I got like 7 of them. One of them was already broken, the other one was thin and in crappy condition, and it shattered a little bit, but it was $2.50. I wasn't expecting a miracle here. I just wanted to clean them and dry them. So, but yeah, I haven't tried playing them yet, but I will probably very soon. Maybe this evening we'll listen to some. It's all more what do you call it? More pop type stuff from a long time ago. So we'll see how it goes. It sounds interesting to me. And yeah, and I had been using I got a little thingy, and I got this other little thingy. The other little thingy was it was a trigger. So you push the button and it starts the video. You push the button and it stops the video, like for recording the show. And at first I was really into it, and then I noticed it kind of started being more of a pain in the ass to use it. It's like you ever get something, it's like, this will be great, I'm totally going to use it. And then you realize that it's like not all that great. Well, that's what I found with this setup. And I got a little thing to put it in, and the first one I got didn't work at all, and then I had to get another one, and it was small, and it didn't even have like a lanyard hook on it. It was like the size of a thumb drive, and it was like, I read people saying that they lost them, so I got a little pouch to put it in, and it was like, I don't need this thing. What I need is a vise, and I need a C-clamp. That's all I want. And so I went down, I returned those two things, and then I went, is this even coming out? I hope it is, because I want to use this. But I went and I did the return, and I found the thing that I wanted, and it turned out it cost, it cost less to get the C-clamp vise thing than the return amount, and I'll get way more use out of that. So I'm like, yeah. I literally made that noise. I was like, yeah. All right, so here we are. It's done. I guess this is what people like in Western Japan. So it's buckwheat noodle. Not usually a huge fan of it. Once in a while, I'm okay with it. Hopefully this will be once of those whiles. And it's got tempura, which I will sample after the fact because I want it to look nice. Broth. No, not a fan. Wow. It's been years since I smoked cigarettes, but I'll tell you what, that makes me think of cigarette butts. That's foul. I don't like it. I do not. I'm affronted. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Holy moly, I really don't like that at all. But, you know, these two varieties. I'm not a fan of buckwheat noodle. I've had a couple times that I've been like, wow, this is rad. Usually not. There's our tempura disc. Is it me or does it seem dark in here? Alexa, kitchen 100%. Oh, there was a light that was out. Huh. Well, it's a little bit, yeah, it is brighter. You need to get new light bulbs in here. Just the tiniest pinch of seed. And do I want to use the pepper thread? I don't know. I like my pepper thread. I like it to last too, so I don't know. I don't really want to use it on one that I dislike this much. I would use some kind of fish cake if it was here. But I have no fish cake to use today. So rotate, rotate, rotate. Okay. Well, next up, we have Chenchow. I can't remember, but it'll be in the title of the next one. This is a large It's like a belt noodle, a broad noodle, a wide noodle. Not a byung, but kind of in the same ballpark as width. And, yeah, it's from China, and it has spicy red oil. Ooh. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.